Do you ever wonder why some people are good with money and others are not? Why do some people seem to get rich quick, while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer may lie in the psychology of money. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs about money can have a profound impact on our financial success. In his book The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explores the psychology of money and how it affects our financial decisions. He shares 10 important things that we can learn from the book, which can help us improve our financial situation. Here are some curious questions that you might ask yourself. What are the psychological factors that contribute to financial success? How can I change my mindset about money to improve my financial situation? What are some specific financial tips that I can use to start building wealth? The psychology of money is a fascinating and complex topic. However, the 10 important things that we can learn from the psychology of money can provide us with a valuable framework for understanding our own financial behavior and making better financial decisions. 1. Don't be afraid to lose money. The fear of losing money can be a major obstacle to financial success. We often avoid taking risks because we're afraid of losing money. However, if we're too risk-averse, we'll never be able to achieve our financial goals. Housel argues that we should be more willing to take risks, even if it means losing money sometimes. He says that the best way to learn is by doing, and that we'll never know what we're capable of unless we step outside of our comfort zone. 2. Think long-term. Our emotions can often cloud our judgment when it comes to money. We may make decisions that are in our best interest in the short term, but that could hurt us in the long term. Housel says that we should try to think long-term and not let our emotions get the best of us. He says that we should focus on building wealth over time, even if it means making sacrifices in the short term. 3. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in yourself. This means investing in your education, your health, and your skills. When you invest in yourself, you're investing in your future. You're making yourself more valuable to employers and clients. You're also increasing your chances of success in whatever you do. 4. Pay yourself first. This means setting aside money for your savings and investments before you pay your bills. This will help you build wealth over time. When you pay yourself first, you're making a commitment to your future. You're saying that you're more important than your current expenses. 5. Don't compare yourself to others. Social media can make it easy to compare ourselves to others, but this can be a dangerous game. We often see only the highlights of other people's lives, and we forget that everyone has their own struggles. Housel says that we should focus on our own financial goals and not worry about what others are doing. He says that comparing ourselves to others will only make us feel bad about ourselves. 6. Be patient. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect to get rich quick. Just keep saving and investing, and you'll eventually reach your financial goals. Patience is essential for financial success. We need to be patient with our investments, and we need to be patient with ourselves. We'll make mistakes along the way, but we need to keep learning and growing. 7. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many people who can help you with your finances, such as financial advisors and accountants. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's a sign of strength. When we ask for help, we're admitting that we don't know everything, and that's okay. 8. Enjoy the journey. Money is important, but it's not the only thing in life. Make sure to enjoy the journey to financial success and don't forget to live your life. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. We need to enjoy the journey and not get too caught up in the destination. We should focus on living our lives and making the most of each day. 9. Don't be a hero. Sometimes, it's better to play it safe with your money. Don't try to be a hero and make risky investments. There's no need to be a hero when it comes to money. We can still achieve financial success without taking unnecessary risks. 10. Be grateful. It's important to be grateful for what you have, even if it's not much. Gratitude can help you appreciate your financial situation and make better financial decisions. Gratitude is a powerful emotion. It can help us focus on the positive aspects of our lives, and it can help us make better financial decisions. I hope this explanation is helpful.